In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Facebook password if you can't log into your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. On the login screen, tap the option that says Forgot Password. Facebook will then ask you to find your account using your email address, phone number, or username. Enter the information connected to your account and tap Search. Once Facebook finds your account, it will show you different ways to receive a verification code. You can choose to get the code through your phone number or email address. Select the option you prefer and tap Continue. Facebook will send a code to the method you selected. Check your messages or email, then enter the verification code in the app and tap Continue. After the code is confirmed, you'll be asked to create a new password. Type a strong new password that you haven't used before, then tap Continue to save it. Once your new password is set, you'll be able to log back into your account normally. That's how you can quickly recover your Facebook password using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.